Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download Shapr3D for Windows and macOS, step by step. No cracks, no third-party websites, only 100% official and safe download from the Shapr3D website. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Step 1. Go to the official website. Open your browser and search for Shapr3D official download, or directly, link in description. Always download Shapr3D only from the official website to avoid fake or harmful files. Step 2. Click on Download. On the home page, click on the Download button at the top menu. You'll be redirected to the Shapr3D download page. Step 3. Choose Operating System and Download. Now select your operating system. Download for Windows, download for macOS. Click on the correct option based on your system. Once you click on the Platform button, the official Shapr3D setup file will start downloading automatically. The installer size is usually around 500 to 800 megabytes, so please wait until the download is complete. After the download finishes, you will have the Shapr3D installer file on your PC or Mac. You are now ready to start the installation anytime. That's it! You've successfully downloaded Shapr3D for Windows or macOS directly from the official Shapr3D website, safely and legally. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.